me. Well, well. You okay? Good girl. You'll be okay.
Slow the hell down!
Ain't you a good horse? Hey! Move it!
That's a fine horse.
Good work today.
Hey, look out!
Welcome, friend.
Just right, I
Morning
think.
to you.
This here is a real man's game. Good morning.
So, what'll it be?
I'll take a whiskey.
Your whiskey?
Nice to see another feller in here who ain't born with a silver spoon in his mouth.
Another?
Don't know why I still come in here, to be honest. Maybe because I can. I'll never be one of those people, but, you know, sometimes we all like to kid ourselves. Maybe we're better than we ain't.
Of
Not that
course,
any of
keep
these
'em
fancy
coming.
fools are any better. I
Good
don't
for
know. I'm
what
sorry,
else?
mister. Maybe I had a couple too many.
Good morning. You're okay, mister.
Care for another?